Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most significant component of modern life, the computer. We use computers every day. Now, you are watching this video on your laptop or smartphone, or tablet. But what exactly is a computer, and how does it work? Okay, come with me, and let's find out. A computer is a programmable electronic data processing device that works with electricity. It works with given information. It has ability to store, retrieve and process data. The computer takes raw data as inputs and process them with a given step-by-step instructions to presenting the result as output. All computers do the same four basic things: they input information, store them, process the given information and then output information. Input, store, process, and output — these four things are common to all computers. The computer is a combination of hardware and software components.